All right, I'm gonna cut this wig. I'm sorry. I know it's because I said I wanted to show y'all how it's looking. I think I'm just gonna guess I get as close as I can. So I cut it here, directly in the middle, and I'm gonna cut it here. I'm sorry, I'm basically gonna cut it all the way around the rim. Because the way that it looks, it already kind of looks like, I don't know, I feel like it's already, looks like it's already traced out. So, I'm just gonna pretty much do that. And then I'll tell y'all a little bit about this wig. I braided my hair down because when I had first put this wig on, it didn't really look right. But let's just go for it and see. Because at first I wasn't even going to do it with y'all, but I want to say, really, to me, it don't really matter. If you can see exactly where it is, that's cool. See it? I feel like I should get my mannequin stand, except for the fact that it says it's like a little bit dull. A little bit dull. To me, I need to get a pair of those scissors from when I was in school and you're supposed to order a pair. I need one of those. Oh, what did I just do? Kind of looks like I done cut through it. Reasons as to why I was just going to cut it and come back and see y'all. Alright, y'all. It's okay, it's just here. And then I'll talk about the wig and where it's from. Basically like the unboxing. And first when I had put it on, I was like, it's kind of thin. But it's fine. It is short and I do need to wash it. I probably will wash it and just, you know, pass a little paddle brush through it real quick. It'll be all right. I'm really sitting here trying to figure out how did I cut this thing. Okay, over here. I cut it as thin as possible to the line. That's what I do. And you can hold it like upside down if you want. And just let it hang in a place that's visible for you so you can see it. Like that, hold it like that. And then just freestyle about 1/8 of an inch away. This is what I did. And I use these bands. I will show y'all I'm gonna do in 1 second. I'm gonna see if I can let me do this first, and I'll talk to you about the next stuff. I wanted to match them up. I'm gonna see if I can get the other stuff for the hair too. But I'm gonna try to make this video just the main video. So I have a lot of stuff to do today. I'm telling y'all, y'all almost missed this. Almost missed this. I was ready to throw it on, but then I was like, you know what, I actually have to wash it. So I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna wash it with the silicone shampoo I have. And then paddle dry it. Probably use the dome cap and let it air dry. I'm getting ready this morning. This afternoon. Here we are too, y'all. Excuse me. All right, hold on 1 second. Okay, y'all, so I finished cutting the wig. It's all cut on the inside and the rim. Okay. Now, it has a clip in the front, and these are different. These are like this. So they have clips like that in the front. Okay, it's lace front in the top. I did think it was going to be a little bit more of this at the top, but I mean, we're getting somewhere. I know I paid a little bit more, so I didn't expect that, but I did have them change it in the middle of the time frame, the process or the time frame. So, and it also has adjustable bands in the back here. Okay, where you just kind of like stretch it and put it there, stretch it and put it there. Now it's a custom made wig. Okay, now let me show you and tell you a little bit about it. And then I'm gonna wash it and let it air dry. Not air dry, I'm gonna let it sit under this dryer and dry. With some mousse probably. And they sent me some less adjustable bands. So this is a WowEbony wig. Okay. And let's see. Okay. So this is a WowEbony wig, and this is the information on the wig. Okay, I'll read it. It says, WowEbony, name full lace wig, skew bob L14, hair type Indian Remy hair, length 8 inches, color number 1, cap size 8, hair density 150%. Okay. Then I see it has the guarantee, the quality guarantee, which is a lot for me to read, but I will screenshot that and then maybe y'all can go back in and look at that. Okay. Now I'm missing one part, I think. Hold on one second. Okay, now the hair came in this box. This box here. Okay. Then nice little FedEx shipment, and then on the inside it just goes over all the information. And let me see. Yes, this is my favorite part about working with them, and I think that's another reason why I just keep working with them. They have little promotions here where it says, let me see. It says stuff like if you spend, this is new I think, but it's going by points right now. New registration, get 20% discount code. Positive feedback, get 100 points, $1 if you spend. In order to get 2 points if you buy 200. I gotta read all of this, y'all. But normally my favorite one is when you load your video to like the website, YouTube, like when you upload it and let them know that you updated it, they send you back some cash. So post your beautiful and clear pics on your Instagram. WowEbony here. They're paying you more. Videos shared on YouTube, on your YouTube with our website link under video, get 500 to 2,000 points, which is equal to $20. So they used to just send you simple $30. That's what I was used to, but it's okay. Okay. But yeah, that promotion, buying the hair, getting it back, knowing that you know, you're gonna get back the hair difference or whatever. I should have just left it the way it was, because that wig that I have already is good when I wash it. It's beautiful when I wash it. I should have just did that. And the other wig I have is a full lace, and I don't know, the quality is a little bit, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to wash this wig. Let me show you how it looks one more time, and then I have to actually get out of here. And I'm gonna wash it also and let it sit on this mannequin back here and blow dry while I'm getting ready to go to my appointments. This is how it looks without. Okay, you know, sometimes I wonder. All right. And I had a black one. Hold on one second, y'all. Okay, here we are. Hi, y'all. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna throw this on so we can see how it do. To me, okay, when I first put the wig on, I was like, what are these clips? Then I was like, what's wrong with the regular push teeth ones? I just feel like you can't always, I don't know, I might cut these. I really might, because I don't understand them. I don't think I like the clips like this. I really don't think I like the clips like that. Yeah, you play around and you rip out your hair. I don't think that's a good idea. I don't think that's a good idea with that one. But all I wanted was the regular teeth, you know? It's gonna pull out your hair too, but at least you know what you used to. You ain't used to clamping your hair and trying to pull your hair, and your hair is just a whole totally different way of a pull, if that makes sense. It's not the same kind of pull. It might hurt more, might leave you with no hair on your head all over. So, now first when I put this wig on last night, I was just like, y'all, where is the hair? Why is it so thin? What's going on? It looked just so weird. Then, you know, I sized it up the right way and realized that, you know, I gotta braid my hair down. My hair didn't look right. So then I'm looking at the hair and how it's braided and whatnot. Let me show you how it looks at the rim. Here. And so you can see how it looks. Okay. So first that, and then that's pretty much where I want it to be. They got bendable pieces here, which are kind of cool. Y'all, I don't know, we done mastered the wigs, make it a lace, put a nice little band. I might cut a little bit of material off of this side because it's caught a little bit here. That's probably the part where I was gonna cut it. Over here is good though. Over here is not that bad. I could probably get the gumption and just, oh wait, did I cut this side? It said to cut it. I might have to just cut that part right there. But otherwise, in the front of the wig, like, dang, look. Wow, what? You seeing it? And then the stocking cap is black, but this is the wig itself. I really don't even know what happened. Do you see it? Y'all. So yeah, and then in my mind, I'm like, okay, but that's probably the reason why in the beginning the hair was looking kind of wiggy, right? It looks wiggy. It looks wiggy. It do, but this part is kind of seamless in a way. You can't even lie and say it's not looking kind of seamless in a way. It's pretty. So I'm just gonna pick this up for 1 second just so you can kind of see the length of the wig. I'm gonna wash it because I think that I want to tame some of this cast. I want it to be a clean. If it's shiny, I'd rather it be a shiny, clean, grease look. You know, it's very, the hair, I think, what did I give it? Number one. This is one hair, but it's very, very, very black. Very, very, very black. So, yeah. I'm going to wash this and then, you know, add some volume, like a nice little bump. And then, you know, we're good to go. Okay? So that's probably where I'm gonna be. And then look at this. If you take it, part it, and then come over this side a little bit. Oh man, give me a break. You part it like this over this side. And say, for example, the hair is like that. Right? A little soft throw over this way. And it still can pass for, I want you to see what I say, but nobody is looking that hard when you're just like, you know, nobody really lately does. Man, I've been seeing people being gully and gumptious. We don't care anymore. We're just like, okay, we just don't care. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. Let me wash this wig, y'all, because I actually have to get out of here now, okay? But I just wanted to give y'all that update, that post update. And yeah, I'm getting ready to go do my thing. Hey, do my thing. Hey, do my thing. All right, so this again is the wig information. I don't know. My phone is like not that happy. Again, it's a 1B, 8 inches. Neck. I really wanted the wig to be like around here. So if y'all know a wig that you can recommend like that, I would like it to look like that, okay? All right, I'm gonna talk to y'all later, okay? If you need me, come back and see me. Until next time, that's a wrap.